Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Math Magic. So today's question is find x. 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x plus 1 equals to 80. So we have to find the value of x. Okay, so let's see. 4 to the power x plus 1 can be written as 4 to the power x into 4 because a to the power m plus n will be equals to a to the power m into a to the power n. So 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x into 4 equals to 80. Taking 4 to the power x as common, 4 to the power x into 1 plus 4, okay, equals to 80, implies 4 to the power x into 4 plus 1 is 5 equals to 80. So 4 to the power x equals to 80 by 5 equals to 16. Okay, implies 4 to the power x equals to 16 can be written as 4 square. 4 square is 60. Okay. So see here both the bases are same, that is 4. So we can say the power must be equal. So x equals to 2. So this is the answer guys. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.